Yeah, man, the one I name 2085, you see it. Hot cup of tea, I want for some chocolate tea for you, other one, well hot, you see it. Spice put, yeah, she put something in another one, yeah, man. She put some good work in another song, yeah, you see it. Me and I really too fans of Spice song them still, no, but you don't know. That one here touch whole heap of can, so it's a good one, it's a good look, you see it. Yeah, man, and you don't know danger, you want to sleep with Spice baby father. She forward out, no wanna talk for her side, you see it. She say she a mind her business and Spice jar in her business, so you don't know. And Shelly Current, she die talk up a bag of things too, you see it. Yeah, man, you don't know everybody have for them look. I don't know Spice touch all of them can't say all of them are forward out. You see it and say what them want to say, you see it. So if you don't know, if you're new around here, just remember to like, comment and share and subscribe to the TV. For future upload, you get right as it drop, and you can also follow me over Instagram at sandyandboneztv. And I want a hot cup of tea, you see it. But I know my tea if you drink, you see it. Straight bush tea me drink.
Me zone me about my business. Remember me never seen your man. Your man.
What's your name? Your flag? Three flags.
Remember me never send your man come trouble me. Remember me there when me there and you go tell me. Say. Oh, you know what me do. Lady, you don't know nothing what me do. Cause you see him one in the hotel room the night. I don't forget the same night when the indicator make. You in the hotel room. And we do a video. And the man go on the road with version them. Before the man go on the road, you tell the man, say, don't bother go drink and junk and fuck nobody, come here artist and everybody know me. That was what you said to the man. Me go down in my room, I'm in my business, about my business. And your man come down there, come pull door and do what I do. So, at the end of the day, me tell you that. Me tell you that, I go say you hear the truth. Oh shit, somebody a farm with something. You go tell me, boy, you know the truth. Which fucking truth? You live off of lies. You live a lie. You live lie to stay relevant. That's what everybody knows. We know this. So why you go talk about this and that and this and that? Lady, me not have time for make up no story if you look no fame and no hype because I can't sit down and create something. I'm from with.
You know, it's hot and menopause and all kind of something because we're all, right? I'm just a see beer people that tag me in a Spice live. Spice, you know how long me a hold your business? Well, let me clear up something. Me have all heap of people on my what you call it there, so. What will you call it? There's all heap of names you can call and say Shelly went there or doing there. But how the fuck you come up at John John? I've never even been around John John. Will John John name just come out of your mouth? Just like you just call up some name? Spice. Spice. Why you don't tell the people them? You know, if you did really, let me tell you something why you're not a good person. Because Shelly did love you. Shelly look after you before, Shelly look out for you before your boss, before anybody know you. Spice, what did you do to Shelly? What did you try to do to Shaggy? What did you try to do to Scatter? What did you do to Shelly, the person who was trying to help you before your boss? Before you have besties? Before you have besties? No, before you have besties, Shelly there at your party. Shelly over there, Shelly I tried to do everything. I have pictures, Shelly I invited to carnival. Will you call up my name with John John? The most my name can call with John John is that I started a company named John John Music. And that is because my son name is John John. John Quran, you fucking idiot. Are you retarded? Are you just telling lies? Me not care now. Me say what me say. The teen, me like the song. If it's because me go and say the tea not so hot. It never so hot. But when you can go ask John if it real because me have a son named John. Ladies come to my house all up to like 2 years ago. Me and Lady Son have no problem. I mean,
Here with another quick look one. So based on a live that I did last night, I come out to ask the ladies and the gentlemen them which one of it value the most or which one of it on a will sacrifice. In a relationship, love or money, which one more important? Love makes you feel good, you're comfortable, you're at home, it makes you feel complete. But money, are where you spend and it takes care of almost everything and it brings a lot of people happiness. Would you prefer choose money over love or love over money? Can a relationship work with love alone and no money inside of it? No money given to each other? Or on a rather love, want to feel comfortable and have a soulmate, on a heart mate and on a love mate? Which one of it values the most and which one of it? Right nowadays, if you ask most young people or most people, them say them don't want a relationship and not having no money. Them don't want a man who can take care of them or them don't want a woman who can take care of them. So answer the question, type it up. In this day and age, does love matters or does money matters? Some people say money for them thing they all the way because once them have money, them can achieve everything what them want. Let me hear an opinion because this is a vice versa. A man and a woman thing. You're going to stay in the relationship if no money not in there. For example, you're there with a man and him not have nothing to give but him love you. You're going to stay with him and fend it out until on a bill together. Or you're going to say, no, I don't want in a relationship with no man or no woman who can better me or help me or give me money to buy something if I'm hungry. So, love can't full belly, but money can put food in there. Which one is more important to you in your relationship? Or it has to be a combination of both. But if you had to choose, would it be love or would it be money? Give your honest opinion. Because you have some girl who may ask two girls and say, Auntie Dana, you're mad? Love can't put in a pocket and go shop. I want my money, my thing there. So everybody has the money. Few of them has say love. But give me your opinion in the comment section.
What did the chicken say before he crossed the road? Peacock. What did the dog say before he crossed the road? Roof. You know, get it? Roof. You get it? Because he's a dog? Roof, you know? You know, get it? Alright. What did the cat say before he crossed the road? Abel, you must can get that one, yeah. What did the cat say before he crossed the road, Abel? Bah. Get it? You get it? Get it? Right? You get it? No. Laugh, no pussy, you want to laugh. Pussy, laugh. Laugh, pussy. You move like you don't want to laugh. You move like you don't want to. Give me my money! Give me my money here!